Alright, y'all. Y'all guys know who it is. It's me. Yeah, I just got a haircut. Don't worry. About to get my hair buzzed. But the thing is, bruh, I look like this now. We're gonna rock this look for a bit. I mean, school is about to start. That's why I look like I'm going to military. I'm not a military. I'm not a military student, or let's say doing ROTC. No, I am not. I am a dentistry student, and at my school, the protocol is to have short and proper hair. We're not allowed to have long hair, colored hair, and stuff because we're doctors. Yeah. So now, I mean, before, I had like lightish brown hair, and then what happened is I colored it black because the guards don't want me to have hair color, so I colored it black. Then what happened is um, I colored my hair black and then it faded. So guards the guards actually confiscated my ID. I mean, the thing is, why would you confiscate my ID, right? I mean, that's the weirdest protocol ever. You would confiscate the ID of the student. How are they supposed to go in the school if their ID is confiscated, right? So the thing there is you're gonna go to the front desk to get your ID back. But the thing is, they're gonna give you like a note that says what do you call that? It's like a special ID, I would say. It's a special ID. Let me just fix this for a bit. There. It's a special ID. So it's just a paper. And you're gonna use that for the whole week until you get the ID back. Yeah. And that's the worst. And then what happened is I actually got my ID confiscated a lot of times. The first one was I was wearing the wrong uniform, but the fact is I was a basketball player at my course. I was a basketball player at dentistry. What happened there is they confiscated my ID for not wearing proper uniform. But my idea there was this: if they made me go back, just like my other teammates who went back to get their IDs because it got confiscated, I was the only one who was told to get the ID after 1 week. Bro, come on. What was that? They need to fix that on the guards. And then the second one was what happened to my hair. Well, my hair faded. It was supposed to be black, but then it faded, and then my color started to be brown-ish. That's why they were pissed off. Then after that, I got the third one. The third one was not wearing proper uniform again. But then I just remembered they told us to wear white t-shirts and then wear proper pants. Isn't that crazy? They gave us that protocol. All of those protocols are a bunch of crap, I would say. So I am just ranting this because that actually made me pissed off. That made me think about my whole summer. Why did I tell the school? Why did I tell the school that my ID was lost? It's because I haven't had an ID, and I have ADHD. I forget things, man. So then I forgot that my ID was gone. Suddenly the school told me that I'm in fault of that. Why did I get that? Why did I ask them to do this? Yo, you guys didn't even tell me to get my ID. You guys didn't even update me about my ID. So, I even asked the desk about my ID. Have you guys seen the ID? I even asked the guards who confiscated my ID. Have you guys seen my ID? Is it at the dean's yet? Then they were like, no, have no idea. What? How come do you guys not have an idea about my ID, right? So, I got 3 offenses because of those. And because of those 3 offenses, I became like this. Then, um, actually, I had a bad grade last semester. I dropped a bunch of freaking subjects. That's why now I'm like full load at the subjects that I'm doing. Now I'm just locked in, bro, locked in. Yeah, so that's why I'm filming a lot of my fitness vlog, so I know when I could go back at gym. Yeah, so basically what I am saying right here is you have to push back and retaliate and face everything if you have something in fault. If you have something in fault, just say it. Don't lie. I did not lie. What I said is true. I did not even fight for my rights that time. It's because they're the authority, right? Never fight the authority. So now we're just gonna go back on what we already did. Just being a student with no rights, because that's the thing. I mean, what's the fun? What's the most funniest thing is the guards don't even care if the students don't have an ID, right? You would think that that was the craziest thing that you could do in school. That's not the craziest thing. I haven't done any crazy stuff, any freaking illegal stuff in school. That's like the minor stuff. But it became like a major thing. It became a major thing because I got 3 offenses. Dude, those 3 offenses are nothing at all. I am following the authority as it is. But the thing is, the guards, man. The guards, the freaking guards. They're too freaking strict at everything. It feels like they own the school. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm telling this. Yeah. Enough with that story. I'm picking up my friend, and that's why I have this hair. That's all of it. Right now I'm just driving still. Damn. I haven't spoke at this long at the camera while driving, dude. This is the most I spoke at the camera, right? So, here's a quote for you guys. No matter how hard it gets, no matter how heavy the set is, no matter how many times you fail, you just get back up, you start your day as it is, never think about what happened or what problem happened to you that time. Okay? So, always think that you could succeed at everything that you do, even though it is the biggest thing or the hardest thing that you think that you can't carry. Those things that are hard to carry are always the easiest to carry. Right? So, it's just mind over muscle. Everything. But in life, everything is all mind, all logic. So, just keep on pushing till you get to that limit, right? So, it's okay. It's okay you're not the smartest in the room. It's okay you are not the strongest in the gym. What matters is what you have from within. So how do you succeed in life if you think that it's enough? Nothing is enough in life. That's how life is. Nothing is supposed to be enough. You're supposed to be hungry for everything, hungry for success. So now, what I'm saying to you guys is stay hungry and stay patient and never think less about yourself. Okay? Now we're here. Okay, let me just call my friend. I'm using the camera, okay?
Boss! Ikaw na naman, boss!
Bossing! Basta ang buhay-buhay.
Alright, we're going. Spot? Kailangan mo spot.
Oo, pre.
Hey! Nagpad!
Taas, mahaba pa yung tolerance ko eh. Safety. Wala namang
Hindi pantay
mag-iiba
pre
dyan
ah. Hindi pantay yung ano mo.
Ha?
Hindi pantay yung hawak
Ayan.
mo. Balik mo pre. Balik mo. Sige pre. Close mo pa pre yung grip.
Ah,
yung
close grip.
mo. Tapos urong ka pa konti dito. Yan, para pantay ka. Yan, para mas stable ka. Tapos, pasok mo na tong thumb mo.
Ah, sige.
Good. Yan. Di ba mas
Parang
okay?
sali ako sa grip na ganito?
Oo. Tapos tingin ka lang doon sa salamin.
Oo nga.
Nice. Yeah, dito lang ako.
Kaya?
Syempre, lalay lang kita sa rack para hindi ka masyadong mailang sa pag-rap.
Hindi, kaya ko yun.
Yes. Okay, sarapan mo. Light work. Light work. Samsulik ka. Nice. Nice.
Likod ko ah. Sakit para likod ko ah.
Nice. Yan. That's what I'm here for. Sakto.
Kita ko agad eh.
Ako sa bila. Yan. So, 1 rep max na yung mamaya. 4 sets yan, pre.
Oo nga.
So, mag-belt. Alalay lang sa lower back mo.
Rest lang.
Pahinga ka muna. Hinga-hinga. Ayaw
Hinga.
mag-belt.
Wala naman sa walang hingahan eh. Ha! Gah! Ha! Ha! Gah! Ha! Ha! Gah! Ha! 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 Gah!
Nice one.
Ha! Last one. Ha! Gah! Ha!
Lakas.
Oo, pre.
Lakas.
Boss! Ipit ba ko ah.
Yan. Timer. Para
Para-
tayong itlog niyan, pre.
Ha?
Para tayong hard-boiled egg.
Oo, pre.
Pupush kita, pre, pagka umabot ka ng 6. Pupush kita ng 2 pa pagka nakikita kong bumabagal.
10 ko. Try ko 10 or 8.
Yeah. Pero dito ako sa likod mo, spatan kita. Para ma-push natin. Gusto ko yung ano eh, nakukuwawa na rin pati yung spatter eh.
Mag-squat din kasi ako eh.
Sabi mo, pre, kakatapos mo na mag-set, ikaw ulit mag-squats. Mag-spot ka kasi.
Double damage.
Ayan. Okay, tuloy. Yeah, dito lang ako sa tabi mo. Likod pala.
Mahirap to ah. Conventional.
Kaya yan.
Hindi ko kita.
Okay ba, dito lang ako sa likod. You got more, you got more. 3. Come on. Give me 4. Come on. 5. Come on. Got more. Come on. 7. 8. Last one. Come on.
Ako, push ko.
Ito,
Ako.
Go. Up. You got more,
Last two.
2. Give me 2. Last one. Come on. Up. Nice.
Wait lang. Ratbo ko, pre.
Ikaw na spatter ko eh.
Wala.
Kakatapos mo na mag-squat. Mag-squat ka ulit.
Wow!
What's next?
Game. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last 4, 7, 8,
Akin
9.
10.
Okay, go. Last two. Push. Last one. Go lang. Last one.
Get the 25 plate, boy. Get the 25 plate.
Wait lang.
80 kilograms. Bale, halos 100 plus pounds na.
Alin?
Di ba 80 kilograms? 100 plus pounds na yun.
Nasa 140 pounds ata.
140. Solid ass pounds. Yun lang, pre, yung may curve lang.
Ano to? More than my body weight.
Oo.
Parang binubuhat ko yung old me.
Yes, sir. Dito natin masasabi ang katawan ng tao, doble ng katawan niya kaya buhatin. Halos. Am I even recording? Indubitably, no doubt. Boy, mo. Yeah, come on, boy. Come on.
Ah! Ah!
Follow my hand. Follow my hand. Yan.
Ah! Ah, di kaya, di kaya.
Nope.
Nope. Nope, naginig.
Nope. Okay, so babawasan natin siya ng 25 mamaya. Gawin natin 20.
Ha?
Gagawin na natin 20 tong 25.
Hindi, bawas ako 5.
5? Okay, sige. Give me the belt.
Ah, fuck.
Ako na, ito na yung ano.
Naramdaman ko ano eh. No.
Nanginginig ka.
No.
Alright. My turn. Ano na yan? Gassed out ka na. Diyan na yung max na lang tayo.
Ah.
Here we go.
Spot? Spot na kita? Okay. 2.
Last one.
Push. Push. Last 2. Nice. Last one. Oh, nice. Woo.
Good. Okay. Let's fix the right. Game. Yan, kaya.
Kaya.
Come on.
Ah.
You got more.
Ah.
I'm here. Come on. Nice. Last one. Give me last one.
Height.
Come on. Up. Nice. Nice one.
Putang ina, babang-baba ako.
Nakita kita pre, parang mag-faint ka na eh.
Yung sa ano? Yung
Sabi ko, mag-faint na to. Oh, he pushed. Now we're gonna go to the quad extension.
Fuck.
Shit. Okay, the Samsulik squat na tawag dito. Plated squat. 100 kg squat.
So, taas muna natin to ng
Nice, okay.
para ano.
Okay lang yan. Ibabagsak ko na lang dyan.
Di ba may sira?
Hindi. Ayun yung ano eh. They're meant for that eh. Pero basta spatan mo lang ako sa likod. Sige.
Gotcha, dog. Let's go. Go. Push.
Oh! Nah! That's one more.
Give me two. Last one. Go. Push. Nice one.
Told myself, 1 rep max. I told myself 1 rep max.
Nice one.
Uwian ko lang. Ayun. Go. As we increase hugs, bumababa yung reps ulit ah.
Ha?
As we increase, bumababa yung reps. Bali 15 reps sa simula.
15 reps. Tapos down.
Tapos down tayo, 10 to 12. Tapos down ulit tayo, 8 to 10.
Okay.
Tapos sa fourth set natin, doon na yung magsisimula yung drop set natin sa heaviest.
So yung mga sets natin, laging double down.
Oo.
Okay. Tapos yung fourth set, yun na yung pinaka-low. Nag-drop ka?
Hindi pa. Start muna. Starting tayo ngayon eh.
Ah, okay.
Starting weight yan.
Okay.
Sakto yan, boy.
Ha?
Sinakto ko yung ano na yan, ang setting na yan para sa legs mo. Di ba? Angat mo.
Malamba.
Ngayon na po, may pag-asa nga ba?
Father, help us in times for our love.
Five. 8. 9. 10. 12. 13. 14. 15. Hold. Down. Slowly and good. Nice one. Time to die.
Adjust ba lang? Oh, wait. Wait lang. Ayun o. Nagdol ako eh.
Uh-oh.
Yung ano,
Tatatanap.
tulak mo. Okay. Bitaw.
Okay, good. Last time,
Nakatabingi eh.
last time that was the problem while I was doing this. But now it's good, I think. He's good. Okay, goods pa. Wala pa.
Ha?
Ikaw na.
Okay.
Goods pa naman legs ko.
Wrong information show.
Yeah, come on. Come on. But give me 25. Nice. And 12. Give me 12.
Maybe I just don't get it.
Come on, that's too easy. That's too easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold. Down slowly. Nice. Sarap. Who's next? Ako naman
Wait lang. Sintas ko.
Dito makakahinga tayo eh.
Saan?
Dito nakakahinga pa tayo. Squats, putangin eh.
Papatayin ka eh.
Dudurugin ka. Pero dito di tayo makakalakad. So drop set. Hate this. Okay. Ingat, coach.
Ingat po.
Yeah, come on. Come on. That's too light, bro. That's too light. Come on.
Ilan?
8 to 10. Yep. Yep. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold, come on. Nice. Nice. Oh, ano to?
Kabol, tangina. Bitin ako.
Extra rep. Kasi ito na drop set natin eh.
Ito na.
Okay, so pagka umabot na tayo doon sa lowest setting, doon mo na ako bibilangan ng ano, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3.
Okay.
Tapos doon sa pang 8, doon mo na ipupush ako pababa, lalabanan kita.
Sige.
Tom Platz, this is for you. Ay, ayoko na yun to eh. Okay. Drop muna tayo. 8, 8, 8. Pugs. 3, 3. Ito na.
Sige.
Bilangan mo lang ng 1. Tapos 2. Pagka nakatatlo akong bilang.
1, 2.
3. 2 pa lang yan. 1,
2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 1. 5, 6, 7.
Ito na pre. Push mo
Go,
ba?
push. 1, 2.
Okay. Itulak mo ako. Tulak mo ako.
Okay. Tisi mo. Bakit? Bakit?
Fuck.
Ito na yung parusa. It's my turn.
Fraternity to boy. Yan, balik tayo sa 59. Parang kang ano dito, pre. Pinadel.
Fraternity ni Edita. Ano to? Dito, ano na? 1, 2, 3, 1.
Yung bilang dyan, pre, 8, 8, 8.
Dito?
Oo.
Una? Hindi.
Una, 8. Sunod 8. Sunod 8. Sige, 8 yung bilang. Tapos, yun doon naman sa ano.
What do you mean by 8? What do you mean by 8?
Ano, 3 by 8 bilang nyo.
Paano?
So, 3 sets. 8, magdadrop ka doon sa una mo. So, magdadrop ka ulit. Sa last one mo, doon na magsisimula yung bilang
1,
ng
2, 3 more.
Oo.
Okay. Dito 8
Oo.
reps.
Kaya 8, 8, 8 tawag na, yung tawag doon sa rotation.
2, 8 reps, tapos 1 yung ano na.
Yung last. Drop. Lapit ka. Come on, baby. Oh, mama.
Ah!
8. Nice.
Bigat!
Ayan na. Ayan na. Yung sisimula ng bilang, ha? Come on.
Game.
1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2.
Wait lang.
Give me 3. Come on, push. Come on. 3. Nice. Come on, push. 4. Come on. You got more. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 6. Come on. 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Last one. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Last, fight me. Come on.
Sige, pre.
Fight me, fight me.
Yung ano yun?
Come on.
Oh, puta.
Sakit, di ba?
Grab tayo kami ah.
Alright. We're done with the quad extension. I mean quad extension, leg extension. That's the name here. We're going to do hamstring curls. We're going to do an 8-8 set again. So 3x8. After the 3x8, okay, first we do the 3 sets. And after that, we count the drop set. After the drop set, yeah. And every set, we do a CC squat at the side. 3 reps. $15 counts first here, then we're done. Oh. Oh. Okay,
Wait lang.
Hugo's turn.
You're the one for me.
Nah, that's too easy. That's too easy. Come on. Oh, look at that. Look at that monstrous hamstrings. Yep. Too light? Gaan na.
Hindi.
Gaan. CC squat. Come on. Tatlo. Give me 3.
Okay.
Yan. 1. 2. Last one. 3. Oh, mo nabitin ah. Bumubuelo. Pero ramdam mo sa quads, di ba?
Ah.
Yan. No. I think I'm gonna shower at my house.
Your house. House.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's too easy. Lightweight, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on.
Ay, layo.
God. Bossing, kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Push! Come on! 1, 2, that's too easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. CC squat, boy. CC squat. Okay. Ayan na, Jojo pose. Isa. Nice one. 2. Third one. 3. Swan. Punit na punit eh. So, pupunitin natin lalo.
Hindi nga punitin mo nga ako.
Layo.
Layo, ano? Six, 7. Tulungan mo na sa liluan. Hindi ako tutulong sa'yo dito.
1, 2,
Okay, push. Okay, go. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Lowest weight mo na. Yan. Game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4.
push mo ako, push mo.
Sige.
Hindi, push mo. Pababa, push mo.
Bossing! Sa buhay-buhay.
Ay, sir.
Ano ba, may mautot ako.
Till failure, pre. Till failure. Ikaw na, pre. Ikaw na. Ramdam mo naman i-record doon.
Wait lang, hinga lang ako.
Lagay ko na sa setting natin. Shit. Okay. The side effects of legs is doing a leg day. The side effects are lightheadedness.
Dito yung weight ko, pare.
And heaviest mo? 41 yun. Yung heaviest mo kanina. Alright. Come on.
8, no?
8 na yan. Isa-spot na lang kita para maangat
sige.
mo yung iba. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Drop. Ano? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Come on. Last one. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 8 na ito. Come on. E. R. Sun. E. 2, 3, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Magawa ka.
2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. Last one. Come on. Push. Up. Up. Last one. Up. Labanan mo. Labanan mo. Labanan mo.
Sige, yan na yan.
Okay. Labanan mo. Angat mo. Nice one. Ayan. Lakad. Ito tayo na leg-extension.
Ano, parang pulado mukha ako ah.
Yung pala. Okay. Let's go to the leg extension. No, leg press. Kasi doon tayo nag-comment.
Ano?
Napakadali raw ng ginagawa natin sa legs.
Tutukan nga mo.
Totoo. Bossing!
Boss! Boss! Ikaw pala yan.
Bakit dito ang pwesto, you say? Wala lang, magkaka-phrases kami.
Ah, fuck.
Ah! Stretch.
Hirap pa maglakad ah. Ang bigat ng pa ako. Dito na. Franz. Stop.
Doon sa baba, pre.
Dan.
Baba mo pa. Tipi toes dapat. Yan.
Hindi, toast na yan. Toast na yan.
Nice one. Yan, alam mo na gagawin mo. Hindi, ganito lang.
Ah.
Stretch mo siya, pre, pa, hanggat pinaka-stretch mo na nararamdaman. Yan, pinaka-stretch mo yan. Okay, good. Dagdag tayo mamaya.
Ilan?
Hindi, tatanggalin natin 15. May 20 dyan. Hindi mo tayo mag-drop set dyan. Tangina, pulikatin tayo.
Hindi, ilan?
Ilan? 15. 15 lahat. Yan. Dito, 8 seconds left and right. Left and right ka muna dyan. Hindi, baba mo pa siya.
Ha?
Tingnan mo, gagawin ko. Diba, kunyari nandito ako. Yan. Hindi, lagay mo yung tippy toes mo. Ganito. Dito sa
Saan?
left mo, diba? Ito, kunyari yan.
Ah, sige.
Kailangan maramdaman mo siya sa caps mo.
Ayan, oo.
Yan.
Kasi madudulas kasi ako pag ano eh.
8 seconds.
Ayan,
Kaya,
yan.
yan. 8 seconds, hold. Sarap. May pang ano pa tayo, laban. Got more. Oh, I know. That's so. Oh, I know. Sobrang pump ng legs
Oh.
ko. Squat. Sarap.
Sarap na eh.
Yun. Failure, pre. Failure. Wala na. Yun!
Yun, di ba?
Yun!
Bossing!
Bossing! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Too easy para sa'yo, pre. Kayang-kaya. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. That's too easy. Nice one. Stretch mo na.
Ay, ako.
Ito na, same weight tayo dyan. Hindi na tayo pwede mag-increase kasi mababalian na tayo dyan.
Oo, pre.
Ramdam mo na rin.
Oo, gago.
Dadagdagan ko ng 25 eh.
100 kaya.
100 ka. Alright. One more tapos magsisimula na kami sa leg press. We're done. Workout, bro. Leg press na tayo sunod na yung tugs, ha? Nag-caps na ako para hindi tayo mag-caps mamaya.
Ay, hindi po.
Ah! Shit! Fuck! Ah! Look at that. Ah! Oh my God. Yun. Karoon rin ako ng pang-flex sa legs. Yeah. I feel the stretch. Wow. That's too easy. That's too easy. Come on. Come on, you got more.
Injury.
Injury sunod. You got more. Nasa hospital ka ba? You got more. Come on, man.
Sakto, marunong ko na mag-drive. Bakit mo na ako sa binakayan.
Oh, pre. Hanggang nasa ER.
Hindi, mas malapit dito eh.
Oh, ito. Nasharap na natin. Ay,
I
stretch.
will never find another lover
Stretch mo
sweeter
na.
than you.
Leg press na tayo. Last one. Tapos cardio na. Bakit di kami nag-abs? Nag-work na yung abs namin dito. Hey, look at that, man. Okay, leg press na tayo. Patay na tayo dito.
Oh,
Yep. We always done. We almost done. We almost done. Target.
I pray for someone like you.
Hugs, duck feet.
And I thank God.
Duck feet. Ay, hindi. Uy. Leg press tayo.
Okay.
Yan. Duck feet pre. Para sa serratus.
Yan.
Yes, sir. Good.
Parang di pantay.
Baba ko mamaya. Come on. Hey. Nice. Let's add more.
Wah. Ito. Wah.
Gonna add the 15 plate.
After na ito,
After nyan, cardio na. Nag-cuffs na tayo eh.
oo nga.
Buong-buo nga yung legs natin ngayon. Ito, serratus na yung loob eh. Para mas tayo, mas vascular yung muscles natin.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Alright. Let's rest. 2 minutes. Item tayo, kitang-kita yan.
patan.
Tagalog eh.
Kayo manggi yun?
Kaya manggi ba?
I think so.
Malalaman na natin. I think so. Let's go. Hugs, lalagay ko dito sa ano dito sa pinakababa yung sa'yo para maabot mo.
Yeah, ba't ko naman?
Dito?
Oo.
Okay. Hindi ako magsasalita.
Abot ko gago.
Yung fucking legs, dude. Tapos sinila ko, no?
Pwede. Ito ba yung title na yun to noon?
Ayan.
Alam ba yan?
Ayan. Okay, alam ko na. Sinayaw yan dun pre sa sa movie. Ano movie yun? Muta ko. Basta, squats ka na dyan.
Ano? If you work it, come on. If you got a big, let me search it.
I think my mic got wet. Got wet. As long as you guys
I'll show
can
ya.
still hear me. Wait. Fix my mic. Okay, that's good. I think. Yes. Yep, it's good. Come on.
Batata. Muntik na akong matay, gago.
Di ba? Ayun na, last set na natin. Tapos cardio na tayo 30 minutes.
Baka di na ako makapag-cardio.
Hindi, magka-cardio tayo. Pre, pilit yan. Lakad lang. Tap out rin ako dun sa arms mo eh. Bumawi lang ako. Kung sa arm day, pumap out ako sa kanya, siya tap out pa dito. Ako rin eh, tap out na rin ang sarili kong workout eh.
Bira ako mag-leg. Ako, paspat.
Sakto. Sakto, natulungan mo ako.
Hindi ka na.
Shit. Sarap pa. Inay legs ko. Fuck.
I need to go to ride.
Come on, you're almost done.
In my life.
The side effects of legs.
Embrace my family.
Alaloots, tapos tugtog.
You keep accusing me.
Hey. Hey, come on. Come on, buddy.
Oh, oh, wow, wow, wow.
Oh no, mamamatay na. Mamamatay na. Yay! Yay! Mamamatay na siya. Natayo na ako. Baka kailangan mo
Forget the
spot eh.
word, cause you and me. So let's ride.
Come on.
To ride. I need a girl to make
Dali.
my wife. Wait lang. Nahinga lang. Gas out na ako. Putang ina. Hindi na ako
Relax natin.
makakapag ano.
Hindi, magka-cardio tayo. Kaya yan. Lakad lang yan. Lakad lang yan. Come on.
Hindi na kaya mag-cardio.
Kaya yun.
Wait lang.
Got this.
Ilan to?
Yan. 8. Come on. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6,
Kaya ko.
7, 8. You got two. Come on. 1. Last one.
Yeah!
Nice one. Cardio, tara. He gassed out, boy.
Fuck.
Alrighty, everyone. Alrighty, everyone. We're back. And we are done with our leg day. It was brutal, but we survived. Every day is another day to go back straight to bed. So, we're tired and we're very exhausted, but it was fun. We had a great pump. So, it's time to go home. If you guys are new to this channel, hit the like and subscribe button, and also ring the notification bell if you want videos like this. Always remember, guys, stay healthy and stay fit.